Welcome to the second in the series of West Side Story. The streets to the west of Old Town in Krakow. And this week we're talking about Krupnicza Street. This is one of our favorite. Krupnicza. Cha. And we're starting at the furthest end away from Old Town, so we're going to work our way towards Old Town. Bizarrely, the first thing I'm going to do is go off Krupnicza, because there's a little tiny street here that is not big enough to get a video of its own, but it's right next to Krupnicza, and it's absolutely one to know about. So that way to Old Town, 5 minutes, really, 5 minutes walk. Very nice street, pedestrianized, was all redone a year or two ago. But this little street, and I will let Nina say this name. Dolnik Mlin, what? Okay, that was it. Just a few things to note here. This is for those of you with a sweet tooth. Bun Bakery. Oh my gosh, the smell is lovely. I'm just gonna pop in and make a quick video. Look at these. Oh. So this is one where Nina and I will quite often come have a coffee. But that's not all. Now, out the back, I'll show you a quick little garden area for this and the cafes on both sides. Next door is a very popular one, Lisboa, Cafe Lisboa, Lisbon Cafe, another place to sit and come and people watch and get your egg custard tarts. Oh, I'm so sorry. So two great pastry shops next to each other, and then matcha place. There's another burger place here, but the place I wanted to point out, the Meho Cafe. See, it's a great little corner. A Paint Your Pottery Cafe. But on this side, one of the most authentic milk bars next to Old Town. Milk Bar Mila. It's the real deal. It's not like the more touristy ones in Old Town. So it's just 5 minutes and it's tiny. Just a few tables. Very reasonable price food. Back out of Krupnicza Street, and now we start to get the good stuff. Here we have vegan AF, vegan as fuck, ramen bar. I will add some pictures. Nina and I are not vegetarian, not vegan, but when we ate here, we had such tasty food. I was happy to eat it. Didn't matter that it didn't have meat. It tasted great. So, great for vegans and vegetarians, but also great if you want to try something different and you're a carnivore. Next to it, Meho Cafe, bar and garden. Why do you want to know about this place? Simple. The garden.
Oh, temperature comes down.
It's next to the Meho, who's a Polish artist, the museum. Oh, little cafe in there, but that's not the attraction. The attraction is to come and have your tea and coffee and snack in the garden. Look at this. Look at this. So, grounds, you know, attached to the museum, but coffee shop. Everybody's just sitting here having refreshments. Really pretty little tucked away spot. Another hidden spot on this street, and there's more to come. One of the places that actually makes our recommended list, we talk about often, loads of people post Mural food truck park. Loads of posts on this. 6 food trucks, all of which are excellent, and a bar and a terrace called Mural because it's next to the mural and the Meho Museum. The 6 trucks, M22 burgers, walk and roll, a great sushi place. That's 2. You come here and mention Planet Krakow. Mention Planet Krakow, take your receipt to the bar, you get a free lemonade or free small beer. This is from the best Mexican kitchen in Krakow, Aventura por Mexico. They have 2 Mexico Bistro. This is their food truck. Outstanding Mexican food. This place is the big hit of the summer. Hashtag Polish food truck. This has been a smash because actually we rate the Polish food here amongst our favorite, possibly even our favorite. And they do everything from this little truck, everything you would want to try. They've got the soups in bread bowls, zapikanka, pierogi, all the different meats, kielbasa, chicken skewers. This has been a monster hit since it opened just a few months ago. Next door to it, not open today, Ahmad's Eatery. It's Pakistani, but they do all the dishes, you know, that you might find at an Indian. Finally, Pizza Fresca. Look at these prices. 29 zloty they start at to 34 zloty. Great value. And their pizzas are the best we found, frankly. These suit our taste exactly. And we love spicy honey and formaggio pizzas. Great. And then, look how nice they've done the bar and the inside. This is one of the places to know about, and it's here on Krupnicza. Definitely worth a try and great for your money, especially with that free drink if you mention Planet Krakow. Even better at Mural, if you take your receipt to the bar and mention Planet Krakow, you get free lemonade or free small craft beer. We went for the lemonade. You get mango or regular citron lemon, but you cannot beat free. And Nina has gone for pierogi. Pierogi and me. What did I go for? Of course, I went. This has been the hit of the summer. This has been the hit of the summer. Everybody wants one of these when they come to Krakow. The goulash in the bread bowl. This is the best one, folks. And it's huge. And it's amazing. Absolutely full of beef. Look at this. Best Polish food. Mural. Polish food truck. Amazing. And here is that zapikanka. One zapikanki or one zapikanka?
One zapikanka.
Zapikanka. One zapikanka. This is it. Look at it. They already have the best
Huge ones.
kielbasa.
How are you? Good. Tired, little bit. Tired.
Nina's gone for just simple chicken breast. Look how nice they cook
Grilled
it.
chicken.
Grilled chicken, potatoes, roast potatoes, and salad. Beef goulash.
Spróbowaliśmy w innej restauracji,
And potato pancakes.
ale
So a quick rest stop we made at Mural, and directly opposite Mural in this little courtyard, the famous Mr. Pancake. Oh. Pancake is a popular one because, you know, it's a place that the kids and teens like with the pancakes and the burgers. But let's continue. We got a nice Cafe Nero, and it is a nice one. It's got a big garden. And again, this is why this street is a winner for vegans and vegetarians, because just down from Vegan as Fuck, we've got Mazaya. The two places. And then, very happy to show you Dynia Resto Bar. This is a new discovery for us. We went here the first time the other night, and I'm going to include some footage that we took. We had fantastic ribs, which we can show you, and they've got a wonderful garden. So from the street really, it doesn't look like so much. You can't really tell, but if you go in, very nice interior and a big old garden at the back, really nice. Now it starts to get to a little bit different part of the street with the greens. This was all refurbished, like I said, about 1 year or more ago, and pedestrianized pretty much. So very pleasant street. Oh, we got Flamaro Deli and wine. Sweetheart cakes and coffees. And on the corner here, this is on our to-do list. Bonjour Pho. Vietnamese, but this was highly recommended to us by a friend of ours, an Asian chef. Suggested we come here, and we've seen great reviews of Bonjour Pho. If you've been here, drop a comment, let us know what you think, but we've only seen good things. Definitely on our to-do list. Part of Bonjour Pho. Now we're getting to see just at the end of the street. This is the start of Old Town. Well, it's not so long. Karma coffee roasters. We know, we're familiar with them from Kazimierz. A wine bar, we're not familiar with that one. Starbucks. But look, it's just, this is such a nice street on the west side. This street is not, you know, is really worth a visit. Look. And it's getting better and better. Like, yeah, exactly. And there's new restaurants opening here all the time. We can't keep up. This is Franca. This is Franca. relatively new. I'm not even sure what that one is. Zaytuna Syrian kitchen. This is the only Syrian one I know. Mikalik, the bakers.
They used to bring cakes from here, work in Sikorskiego.
Good ones.
Yeah, good. All customers. At the end of every session, bringing many Polish sweets.
Then in this little courtyard, tucked away, you would easily miss it. Choi's Korean kitchen. Korean chicken. Fried chicken, Korean style. Cute little place back there. Great chicken. This, I think, is a pizza place. Pauza. Again, another place with a garden. Yeah. Pizza, pizza.
I ta córka go tam witała, no więc to super.
And here we are, coming on the green trees of Planty. So that's the second street, and back to Teatro Bagatella. So, literally now, just a couple minutes from Main Square, Krupnicza Street. Highlights for us being Dynia, Mural, vegan as fuck, and a whole bunch of other places on our list to try. If you've been to any of these, please leave comments or come on Krakow Best Travel Tips or Planet Krakow on Facebook and let us know what you thought of them. Dynia. Dynia is our new discovery. This was a definite winner. Krupnicza, that was it. By the Theatre Bagatella. Into